Welcome again. On your screen is a tiny house just in 20 by 40, total plot size 800 square feet. Enjoy the cinematics before getting into details. Pause the video for key details of the project. Modern cutout 3D floor plan is at end of the video. Large size car parking and pocket garden for a warm welcome. Every inch of the plot is beautifully designed to maximize the luxury living in such a compact city plot. Premium materials, stylish lighting, and carefully chosen color palette elevate the ambience throughout the home. The kitchen is strategically placed at the front as per Vastu with an attached store that keeps it organized and complete. Toilets are reimagined with modern touch, combining functionality, comfort, and urban practicality. This toilet also breathes from rear courtyard OTAs. On first floor, staircase opens up in second courtyard. This small hallway leads us to two master bedroom on first floor. The bedrooms are designed as private and peaceful spaces. Each room is well ventilated with large windows, smart furniture and soft finishes to give it a sense of calm and relaxation. These bedrooms are not just functional but also reflects the lifestyle of modern urban families. Both the bedrooms are designed with attached dress and toilet setup, mimicking the design language of modern large houses. Just imagine we were able to beautifully design not one but two courtyards in such a small plot size, opening unlimited possibilities of interior setups. At the terrace, we converted dead Mumty area into a cozy bar room, complemented with a powder toilet. The facade combines clean, contemporary lines with elegant finishes, creating a bold urban presence. Let's jump into 3D floor plan to understand the planning. Ground floor welcomes with large parking, a kitchen with garden. Further, a dining and family area connects to rear courtyard and duplex staircase. On first floor, we have two full-size bedrooms with their own attached dressing and toilets. Both bedrooms are separated with staircase, hallway and courtyards. First floor of this house is uniquely modular design, means you can increase number of floors to increase bedroom count as per your requirement. Terrace floor is designed with luxury sit-outs, combined with bar room and a powder toilet. At Mumty level, we have water tanks and solar panels. Let us know about your feedback and reviews on this beautiful house, specially designed for growing Indian cities.